my name is Shakti, and today I'm going to be dissecting an owl pellet. And before that, I want to tell a few facts. So, fact number one, well, there's only one fact, so an owl pellet is formed when the owl, you know how owls don't have teeth? They eat their food whole. So, the owl has a special organ called the gizzard. All the parts that can't digest, bones, fur, teeth, so that it keeps in its gizzard. And when the gizzard gets full, it compacts all of those undigestible materials together into a pellet like this one. And then the owl regurgitates, that means throws it up its throat, and that's how an owl pellet is formed. And one thing, I want to give an announcement. In the last video, I introduced my baby brother, so I highly recommend you watching it. He's so cute. So let's get started dissecting. I'll get my tools out. You'll need a tweezer. Where are you? A big knife. And the other one, a small knife. Where are you? Oh, there's nothing else. And also you'll need a container. I dissected another owl pellet and I got all these bones. And oh yeah, I found two jaw pieces in here, but for some reason I can't find them. Oh, there's one, maybe. So that was one of them. So yeah, let's start dissecting. Wait, I need to put that back in. Oh, I'll just keep it out since I need to put the bones in there. Let's start dissecting. I see this tooth right here, maybe. So I'm carefully pulling it out. What is this? This is, doesn't look like any of these. It's a mystery one. Doesn't look like any of them. Tell me if you see what this bone is. Look for a sec. It can't be this one. Not curved enough, and it doesn't have a bump for some reason. Like, this one's a mystery one. Let's put it in here. I'll just put it at the end of the video. There goes one. Let's go for this big piece. We'll get some bones along the way. Ooh, that's a hard one. Let's get it out later. Wait a second, what's this right here? That sounds interesting. Ooh, it's hardened. Hard to pull out. Ooh, there's a piece. Which bone could this be? Looks like a hind leg of a shrew. Okay, that one's not a mystery. Good deal. Wait a second, is that bumpy? Nothing. Let's just keep going with this one. Okay, that's kind of stuck in there. We need to cut it out. There. That looks like a, not that one, not any of those. Looks like a, doesn't look like any of them to me. If you see one, oh, it's this one maybe. A front leg of a shrew. That was that one. In the last video, you see me, if you watched it, then you heard me say, that was that. And this time I said that was that one, so that's kind of weird. I keep saying that. Okay. That one is too tiny. Let's see the other ones. Is there anything in here? Oh, there is, I think. What's this? Oh, it's hard, but nothing. Anything? Nope, nothing. Wait a second. Too tiny bone. That bone's too tiny. Let's see, what else is in here? This place is hard. What about this? It's a little stuffy. This one? It's hard to find bones now. What's going on? This is weird. Okay, nothing. We'll have to cut it. Okay. This is satisfying. Lots of bones. Well, big bones are right here. Oh my. Look at those two orange teeth. This has got to be a rodent skull. Oh my. Those teeth are sharp. A rodent's skull. Okay, it's hard to pull out. Let's see if we can use the big one. Oh, it's a part of that. Can this even get out? It's so big. Bulgy. This is a big one. Cut it open, cut it open. Why won't you get out? Wait a second, what's this? What's this? I see something. Satisfying. Oh! This is one of those things I found last time. Look at that. A jaw piece. This has got to be a jaw of a rodent. It's a jaw of a rodent. Just like the skull. Let's keep dissecting. Okay, that one is a hard one to get out. So big, it's hard. Don't you think, guys? I've been dissecting since minutes, I think, and still can't come out. Okay, stop plopping out tiny, skinny bones. Let's keep dissecting. Okay, we'll have to use the tiny one. Okay, that's hard. What is going on? This is weird. Everything's so hard. The fur won't come out. There's a big thing in here which just won't come out. Okay, just come out. Look at that eye hole. This is so satisfying. Okay, a bunch. We'll have to clean this one. But look at that skull. Like, oh my gosh. Listen carefully. That's my baby. Let's see. This one's I'm gonna clean it out later. This is a hard one. But oh my gosh. Isn't this amazing? Wait a second. I can clean it out right now. Yippee! Wait a second. That hard bone. Get out, hard bone. No teeny tiny bones. Okay, that's nothing. Wait a second, look! This is just amazing. Look at the other eye hole. One of the rodents thing is missing. Whoa. This rodent was attacked hard from my... Wait a second. Did I already... That... The other owl pellet had that piece. Let's keep dissecting. Okay, that one is impossible to clean out. Let's see this part that I knocked out earlier. Anything? Hello, anyone in there? Ooh! That's satisfying! Another skull! This is so satisfying. Oh my. There are just bones scattered everywhere out of that. But let's look at this part. Wait a second. Bones, bones, bone. Let's save the best for last. Just a teeny tiny bone. But look at this one. It's a little bit broken because it must be thin. This should be hind legs of a rodent. But oh my gosh, that's still so amazing. The skull, the mini skull is right there. Interesting. Paper. It swallowed paper? Okay, let's just keep dissecting. Wait a second. Okay, that won't blow off. But it looks like mystery. Wait a second. No, it's not that one. It's totally a mystery. Let's just go back to this skull. It is so amazing that I found 2 skulls. That must be the big adult one. This must be the tiny baby one. This is just so amazing. What the... Wait a second. It just won't clean off. Just won't get clean. What's on the inside? Ooh, this one's eye is broken for some reason. Let's just keep that one as it is. Wash it later. Is there anything else that could be hiding? Nope. Bye, my name's Ayush, and remember, don't forget to watch my other video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. This is... Okay, I forgot to show you the kit that I got these owl pellets from. There are 2, so I got it from this kit, and so it has 3 other experiments. Kit 29, Kit 28. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other video. Bye.